We are in Photoshop for editing. So I have taken the image to edit the image. We will use different techniques in Photoshop. We will use the features and the tools as well. So let's use it. We are going for the further using into it. Now we will go to the filters, pick up a filter in filter gallery. Let's pick up. So here it is. Now we will use the further gradient. We choose the gradient here, make it okay, apply the gradient on it using the more features. So let's add some pattern stamp. Now we will use the artistry brush tool to get back our real image.